Nandito po tayo sa lugar ng palaruan dito sa Hong Kong. A place where many Filipinos play basketball. These are the Filipinos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. 8. Total of 4 full court and 8 basketball board. We are here to watch, but I'm planning to play basketball tomorrow, early in the morning. There's a lot of Filipinos living here, so they are playing basketball. Let's play basketball. Let's play and watch basketball, Hong Kong style. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 basketball board, but 4 full court. But 8 teams play in different board, basketball board. Yeah, that's the big building. Yep.